What's going on, guys? It's range day, and when I say range day, I mean we are finishing building that range. It has been about a week and a half of nights and days trying to get this range over the line, but today, for under $200, we are gonna make this range happen. So, as you can see right over here, the boards are all up, and guess what? There is dirt, baby. So we are working on actually putting the dirt in right now. We've got the tractor right over here, and it's gonna happen. So naturally, as always, quick gear check. We've got the old trusty. We got the Shadow System Zimmerman 20 Elite with the accoutrement. We're not gonna go through it. You've already seen it before. So we've got coffee, we've got Red Bull, and we are getting after it. The side is on. This side needs to get put on, but I am in the trenches, it feels like, actually pushing the dirt around because this is kind of high to get a bucket over. We can do it, but I am pushing the dirt around at the moment. So come with me and you're going to see, sounds like a song. I'm not bursting into song. You're gonna see the fact that there is quite a bit of dirt and there's still quite a bit of dirt to be put in. So we are working on wrapping this up. Hopefully we will get all the dirt in, and hopefully it'll be enough. That will be the thing to see. But this middle will have dirt, that side will have dirt, and we'll see if the rest does. But you know, we're gonna pivot. So we'll see you in a minute. All right, it's continuing to come along. I'm already smoked. I was out here till midnight last night getting this prepped. So here, this is about almost chest height. We've got it all the way across. We've got some more dirt to put in, so we're gonna continue pushing along, but it is some heavy dirt. So the boards are currently holding up. The hope is that they continue to hold up. There's some flexing, there's some movement, so we'll see how it goes. But you know, we're getting it done. So yeah, look at you guys probably can't see that, but that's a little bit of a bow there, right there. But yeah, it's coming along. So see you in a second. This is super sketchy because you know, it's heavy dirt, but we are way the heck up here getting the middle fixed. We are definitely not going to have enough for the entire range. So there's that pivot I mentioned, but we've got that much dirt left and to fill that whole section. So not going to happen. Going to need to find some more dirt, but at least we have 2/3 of a range. So my shoes have never been dirtier, and I have never been more out of shape. But look, we're gonna figure out how to get the rest of that dirt in there. Not sure quite how. We're gonna find it, but we're gonna find it. All right, let's keep getting after it. Well, we're not gonna get the full thing, but we're gonna get dang close. And we have a savant of a tractor driver, a farmer by trade, and he's killing it. And that is a wrap. We have expended all of our dirt. There is now nothing but just nothing, the ground. So come with me. We have gotten quite far. I'm very excited about it. I've got a couple boards I need to put back up because we need to take them off to allow the tractor to get that high. So, but what we're gonna do is, check this out. We've got dirt all the way up to the top. And over here, we have dirt pretty close. So I need a little bit more dirt, but it is really close. I'm really excited. Here, hopefully the next video will be testing it out and getting after it a little bit. So thanks for coming along. We've still got to finish some more dirt at this point, but we're still under that $200 mark, even with some diesel. And I am very, very, very excited to actually be able to shoot this thing and not have it just be a figment of my imagination. Now, the one thing I am a little worried about is, will this hold all that dirt? That's quite a lot of weight, especially when it starts getting wet. If I didn't put the post in far enough, or if the ground gets a little too wet, there is a chance that it could fall, settle, do weird things. So you know what, we're gonna roll with it no matter what. But either way, we have a range and we're gonna put it to good use. Thanks for coming along. We're gonna wrap this up. Still got some trees to take out, still got to put some more dirt in, but still under that $200 mark, and have a range that's 2/3 done. And I couldn't be more stoked. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Forest Dweller out.